36 Stratagems. Number 25. Replace the beams with rotten timbers. I quote, disrupt the enemy's formations, interfere with their methods of operations, and change the rules that they are used to following. In this way, the supporting pillar, the common link that makes a group of men an effective fighting force, is removed. When you cannot tear down a structure, you don't have to. You simply need to weaken it from within, one beam at a time. This stratagem is the height of invisible warfare. In architecture, if you remove a support beam, the building collapses. But if you replace a sturdy, load-bearing beam with one that is rotten, the building looks exactly the same. It remains standing for a while. Ancient strategists used this to subvert powerful enemies by slowly replacing key officials, critical policies, or essential traditions with their own hand-picked, compromised, or ineffective equivalents. By the time the enemy realizes their structure has been compromised, it is already too late. In the modern world, this is the strategy of incremental replacement. It is how a startup can gradually influence a large corporation's technical standards, its vendor list, or its corporate culture. You don't aim for a hostile takeover, you aim for a stealth replacement. By becoming an essential part of their supply chain, their software stack, or their advisory board, you systematically replace their internal strength with your own influence. You become the new foundation they rely on, while they believe they are still standing on the old one. Your move. Identify the core beams of your rival's strength, their key processes, software, or partners. Do not attack them. Instead, find ways to provide your own alternatives that look and act like the original, but are designed to serve your long-term objectives. Subscribe to the playlist to master the full 36 essential tactics.